Hello students, welcome to Skills for Success. My name is Mary Jane Andrews. I'm so excited to work with you this term. I know that most students are excited to be here, but I also realize that some of you are nervous. I want you to know that I'm here to help you, and I encourage you to take advantage of the many tools I prepare to help you on a weekly basis. As you get started, be sure to read the policies and procedures and affirm that you have read these in the academic guidelines and policies under Course Home. One of the ways I offer assistance each week is through short videos. I encourage you to watch the short video, Let's Get Started, that is posted below this video link. This video shows you several places within the classroom where I provide you help and also explains how you will be graded throughout this course. I cannot wait to talk to each of you. Please send me your contact information if you have not already done so. My biggest goal is to help you be successful. I encourage you to review all of the questions in the discussion board assignments and respond to each and every question. I prefer that you not put the questions in your post, but if you feel it is necessary, please place them at the top and write your introduction in paragraph form. Again, I look forward to working with you.